Billy, what are you doing?
Playing War Thunder.
Okay. It's the game where you beat me and teach me how you're a real pilot, right?
Yes. No, all I said was that I'm really good at this, and I think I can fly a real plane, that's all.
That makes perfect sense.
I could land a real plane. You put me in any plane, I'll land it.
Okay, that's interesting. Where is the other aircraft you're going to shoot down?
They're right in front of me.
Okay, there they are. Let's go on their tail. All right.
So listen, I'm having second thoughts about this. I want to go home.
You want to turn around and go home in the traffic so we can be in the traffic with everybody coming home from the Hamptons right now? Because you're scared?
I think you might be right. Listen, what kind of plane is it again?
It's a Cirrus. It's a single engine, low wing, very advanced, high performance airplane. It's got a glass cockpit.
Yeah.
It's fine. A big shot. I fly the P-51 Mustang. I can land it, Spitfire, Mosquito,
P-38,
Messerschmitt, Zero, everything. You're basically an expert in every World War II fighter, multiple ace. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, where the rubber meets the road. About to enter Republic Airport, where William Leroy is gonna supposedly show his friend Yonel Dorelis, who has nearly 6,000 hours of flight time, that he, Billy Leroy, with 1,000 hours of flight sim time, is a natural, gifted, and superior aviator.
Has to work double the time. Sometimes when there's a tailwind, your prop barely works, but you get the same flight time, so it's not fair to the pilot. So we go off Hobbs time, which is just in the end.
Oh, great.
So yeah, so it's fair.
open it up. Okay, so here it is. There it is. Here's today's date. 1.2 hours. Landing 1.2 hours. There's the instructor's signature. It was great.
Hello, everybody. My name's Yonel Dorelis. I'm coming to you from the Chinese Musician Restaurant in Greenpoint, in Brooklyn, New York. And I'm here to tell you a little story today. I am a retired military pilot and commercial pilot, and I'm a longtime and childhood friend of Billy Leroy of Billy's Antiques and Props. And for the last 5 years, he and I have had a little friendly bet, you can call it, going on. He has been playing pretty sophisticated flight simulator games for a while. And he, for a couple of years, has been telling me how, based on his experience flying aircraft like the P-51 Mustang, Spitfire, Japanese Zero, that he's pretty confident he can land an airplane no problem. So I haven't been home to New York in a while, so it's been tough. But I came home to New York for a veterans event and spent time with Billy, and I made it happen. And I set up a flying lesson, introductory flying lesson for Billy, which we did this afternoon. And unfortunately for me, denying me several years of being able to bust his chops, Billy successfully landed a Cirrus 22 safely and pretty nicely after only one demo landing by the instructor. And she was not riding the controls with him. She was just there to make sure everything went safe. And he did it. And I'm eating some crow, and I'm probably going to end up paying for this meal tonight because I did not expect that. So if Billy tells you he landed in an airplane by himself after only flying flight simulators, computer flight simulators, he's telling the truth. Good night, everybody.